How to change Siri's voice. Hi everyone, it is Guide Hacks, and in this video I will show you how to change Siri's voice on your iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Now we need to scroll down and find Siri and search. And tap on it. In appearing menu we see a lot of options. Here we can change language. For example, I can switch my English United States to English United Kingdom. Then we can go to Siri Voice. Here we can choose different accents just by clicking on them. For example, I can switch my British to Irish just by clicking without any problem. And the same with voice. You can choose the best one that you like to hear. For example, I have only two options in Irish and I will choose the second one. That's all, it was how to change Siri's voice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our Guide Hacks channel.